These double-piston hydraulic long ram jacks from Strongway are the ideal replacement jacks for hydraulic cranes, engine hoists, and a wide variety of applications. Choose from a 3-ton or an 8-ton jack. Constructed of high-grade steel for quality and durability, both jacks feature a double pump design for quick positioning without load. They mount directly to shop cranes and feature a slow release function. The Clevis style base provides stability and versatility, and they're vertical load tested for reliability and safety. Get fast rising lift power with these hydraulic long ram jacks from Strongway.